This is the Mitsubishi Teach Pendant. As you can see here, it has a couple of different areas on the front that are for moving the robot as well as toggling between the different types of motion. And on the back of the Teach Pendant is the deadman switch, which is a two-stage switch that must be held in the middle position for the robot to move. As you can see here, there are two positions for the switch. It is the middle position that you must maintain. To move the robot, you need to press and hold the Step Move button while selecting the direction of motion desired. What you see me doing here is cycling the robot through the different directions while in the world coordinate system as indicated by the XYZ at the top of the display. To rotate the tool, you need to use the Joint 6 or C button at the bottom of the Teach Pendant. To switch from the world coordinate system to joint mode, you need to press the Joint button while holding the Step Move button. And then it's just a matter of selecting which joint you want to move and holding down the Step Move button while selecting that joint. And switching to tool mode is similar to switching to joint mode. Press Step Move and the tool button at the top of the Teach Pendant. And when in tool mode, don't forget that if you rotate the tool, it will alter the XY directions that the robot will move in. This is the Fanuc Teach Pendant. Like the Mitsubishi Teach Pendant, it has areas for moving the robot and changing the coordinate system. It also has buttons for changing the speed and a set of soft buttons that change purpose depending on what you are doing. And on the back are two deadman switches. You can use either one, but the strap is currently set up for righties. Because the Fanuc Teach Pendant is a bit larger, I suggest that you use your left hand in the strap and balance the Teach Pendant so your hand doesn't get tired. As you can see, there are three positions for the deadman switch, just like the Mitsubishi: released, enabled, and stop. To jog the Fanuc robot, you need to press and hold the shift button while pressing the joint or axis of motion that you wish to move in. As you will notice in the video, I'm currently in joint mode. Also of note, the speed shown on the screen is not the maximum speed of the robot, but is the percent of the limited jog speed that the robot is moving in. Please keep in mind that the slower the speed, the more accurate your movement of the robot will be. And when you are moving near a surface, please be sure to keep the speed down so that you don't run the robot into the table or other objects. These robots are worth about $25,000 to $30,000 new, and while you can get them for less as used, unless you want to donate $8,000 to $10,000 to the department, you really do need to be careful. To change your motion to world mode, release the shift button while still maintaining your hold on the deadman switch and press the chord button. You will need to press and release the chord button multiple times until you see world appear in the upper right of the screen just below the speed. And then it's just like before, press and hold the shift while pressing the direction you want to move in. You will note on the screen that now, when you move, multiple joints are changing their position simultaneously. Okay, thanks for watching. Hopefully this has made sense.